In this video, I want to talk about how to get reviews with this cool little QuickTap card. This is not officially a Google product. This is just something I came across because I had a lot of my clients asking about it, so I wanted to test it out, and it's cool. I went ahead and bought one. I saw these things being advertised on Facebook and Instagram, and like I said, I had people asking me about it. I just wanted to see what it was, see if it was actually legit. It actually does work, and I'm going to demonstrate it right now. Okay, so here I am on the home screen of my phone. Pretend this is your customer's phone, and you just did a job. They're happy with it. You've got your little card here. You're asking them for a review. All you're going to do is take this little card here, and you're going to touch it to the top of their phone. It's going to open up this little pop-up here, and they're going to hit that. That's just going to open up the web page. Okay, that's going to take them to the web page that basically is the URL that is your Google Business Profile, the little section of your Google Business Profile that allows them to leave the review. Now, of course, they still have to be logged into their Gmail. If they're not logged into their Gmail, it will prompt them to first log into their Gmail. They have to put in their Gmail password, okay? So it doesn't get past the whole Gmail issue. They still have to have a Gmail to leave a Google review, okay? This card is just a shortcut, like I said. It takes them to your Google account, okay? So you have to, when you first get this card, you're gonna have to get your URL that is inside your Google Business Profile, okay? You have to sync it up to this card. They give you instructions on how to do this. It's a little tricky, okay? But once you get it set up, it's on there. It's attached to this card, okay? So I've tried this with probably 10 different phones so far, family and friends, and it's worked on all of them, all the different iPhones or different Samsungs, and it's worked on all of them so far. So it's pretty cool, pretty slick. And so here's the website, QuickTapReview.com. I'll put a link down in the description below. So my name is Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing, and my friend Mike Mancini and I got together and we created this course and this community called Service Marketing Simplified. And what this is it's an inexpensive way for home service businesses and contractors to learn how to do marketing for themselves. So this is SEO, this is pay-per-click, this is email marketing, and all kinds of offline marketing strategies to implement in your business starting right now. So let's jump into my screen here. So like I said, we've got the Google Business Profile. This is how to set up everything for Google Maps. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how I took an electrician from nothing, from a brand new business to ranking #2 in the Google Maps, and everything I did step by step, all the secrets, all the ins and outs, everything you need to know. And then, like I said, my partner, Mike Mancini, he's got the Google Ads. He's been doing it for 12 years. He holds nothing back. He's got all the downloads, all the PDFs, all the videos, everything you need to know, all the things to do right to have success with Google Ads. That's the pay-per-click stuff. All the stuff you need to know to do it right, and all the stuff you need to do, all the things you need to do to make sure you avoid all the mistakes that most people do, so you save thousands of dollars. And then we got the local SEO stuff. This is SEO, the stuff below the Google Maps, the stuff's to rank for all different kinds of search terms in all different kinds of cities for all the different services you may offer. Then, like I said, we've got the email marketing, and we've also got the offline marketing videos. Guys, this is the community as well. Like I said, we've got the community here, and this is where you can come in and ask questions to us, Mike and myself, and then all the other members that are also participating. This is where you can find out what you were doing wrong. If you're stuck on something, this is where you come to ask your question and get everything answered. Mike and I check this every single day. And then we also have a calendar. This is where we have the live events. We're getting ready to have a live Q&A this Thursday, and we have one once a month at least, sometimes more. So this is a community, like I said, it's not just a set of videos, it's also a live community where we have live events and people are actively engaging in conversations. If this is something you're interested in, like I said, it's called Service Marketing Simplified. Click the link below, get signed up. We're having special offers all the time. If you're interested in talking about it more, you can always go to my website, bigwestmarketing.com, and book a call with me. Or if you're interested in SEO services or web design specifically for service business owners, let me know. Like I said, my name is Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing, and I'll see you in the next video.